Throughout the course of your journey in becoming a Zen master of mobility and an object of light in this world, you're going to need to learn how to tolerate pain. So today is a perfect opportunity to practice that. We're going to work on your adductors, okay? And by that I mean the musculature that comes down the medial aspect of the thigh here and attaches down here to the pes anserine of the tibia. Just in case you didn't know that, that means, duck's foot. So there's a little bit of trivia knowledge for you. Write that down. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on the sartorius, gracilis, and the semitendinosus, and they all come down here and form that duck's foot that we were talking about. What we're gonna do is get that foam roller or a ball, whatever it is that you have, and get it and put it at the distal aspect of your knee there. Then you're gonna let your foot rest down. Go ahead and put some pressure into that thing. And you're gonna start scraping up and down just like that. And the idea here is that that medial compartment gets super stiff and bound down. And then what it can do is it can capture some of the tissue. Imagine this continuous sheath going around the thigh here, and if we pinch down here, then all of a sudden my anterior compartment, lateral compartment have less flexibility and less ability to move through their tunnels of fascia. So if we can kind of loosen, feed some slack to the whole system, then everything upstream and downstream of that is going to work better. So I want you to spend some time going up and down, doing some contract relax. Remember, always stay zen. Big breath in, butt squeezed, pelvis in neutral, rib cage pulled in. You're gonna push down into the foam roller for 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax and let that foam roller melt into the tissue. Do that a couple times, find something ropey, get rid of that. Go ahead and flex and extend the knee a few times. You can put more and more pressure in there by coming up more and more on your elbows. Who knew? You get stronger in plank position just by doing mobilizations. So the more you do this, the better your abs are gonna look, right? So you're welcome. So I want you to play around with that, and I want you to play around with going all the way up until you get about midway, maybe a little bit past midway up the thigh, trying to shear across the tissues. We don't want to waste too much time going along the parallel with the fibers. We want to actually go perpendicular to those muscle fibers to create some sort of lasting change. So that's what I want you to do for today. Unglue your adductors and make yourself useful. We'll see you next time.